Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our prompt engineering series. Did you know that the way you ask a question can completely change the answer you get? That's right. In the world of AI, especially with tools like ChatGPT, the type of prompt you use can be the difference between an answer that leaves you scratching your head and one that solves your problem perfectly. In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of prompts, breaking them down in a way you've never seen before. So, if you have been used generic prompts or just curious about how to get the most out of your AI, stick around. This is for you. Alright, let's start from the top. What exactly is a prompt? Simply put, a prompt is the input you give to an AI model to get a response. It's like asking a question, making a request, or even telling a story to the AI. But not all prompts are created equal. The way you structure your prompt can drastically influence the output you receive. Today, we are going beyond the surface to explore different types of prompts that can unlock the full potential of AI interactions. Type 1, Instructional Prompts. Let's kick things off with instructional prompts. These are straightforward commands where you instruct the AI to perform a specific task. For example, you might say, write a 200-word introduction on climate change. The key here is clarity and specificity. The more detailed your instruction, the more accurate the AI's response will be. Example, generate a list of 10 unique blog post ideas for a tech startup focused on AI development. Notice how specific this prompt is. It's clear about what you want and sets precise parameters. Next up, we have contextual prompts. These prompts are all about setting the scene or providing background information before asking for a response. This type of prompt is especially useful when you want the AI to understand the context before generating an answer. You are an experienced marketer working for a tech startup. Write a brief marketing plan for launching a new product. By giving the AI a role or scenario, you are guiding it to generate more relevant and contextual responses. Moving on, let's talk about comparative prompts. These prompts involve asking the AI to compare or contrast different concepts, products, or ideas. It's a great way to get a balanced view or a detailed analysis. For example, compare the benefits and drawbacks of using AI for customer service versus human agents. This prompt encourages the AI to think critically and provide a nuanced response. Another interesting type is the exploratory prompt. These prompts are designed to help you dive deeper into a subject, encouraging the AI to explore different angles or possibilities. For example, explore the potential future applications of AI in education. This prompt isn't just asking for a list, it's inviting the AI to consider various scenarios and possibilities which can lead to more creative and insightful responses. Let's not forget about reflective prompts. These prompts are more introspective, asking the AI to reflect on a concept, idea, or past experience. It's a powerful way to generate thoughtful and meaningful content. For example, reflect on the ethical implications of using AI in law enforcement. By framing the prompt this way, you are encouraging the AI to dig deeper and consider broader implications rather than just providing surface level information. Finally, we have role based prompts. This is where you assign the AI a specific role or perspective, which can drastically change the output. This is particularly useful when you want to customize the response to a specific audience or scenario. And mostly this type of prompt is used. And for example, as a seasoned entrepreneur, write a motivational speech for aspiring business owners. By giving the AI a specific identity, you are shaping the tone, style, and content of the response. So, there you have it, 6 distinct types of prompts that can transform how you interact with AI. If you want to learn more about the types of prompts, you can read my article, link is in the description. Whether you are looking for straightforward answers, in depth analysis, or creative exploration, knowing how to create the right prompt is key. Remember, the better your prompt, the better your AI's response. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of prompt engineering. And as always, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.